What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Brandon, but in today's video, we're gonna be going ahead and actually highlighting the top 5 performers year to date. We're gonna take a look at the best performing stocks included in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This should be a relatively quick video, but it is cool. It's fun to keep up to date with the stocks that are performing well. It can give you some good investment ideas. Maybe you're holding some of these stocks yourself, but actually, in my opinion, one of the more valuable things that you can take out of this video is that because these stocks have done quite well over the first matter of months in 2019, because they just experienced a very nice run, this may be an opportunity to look to trim back on some of these stocks. Okay, I'm not saying go out and sell your winners. I know nobody likes to do that, but after a very nice run up to start the year, it's something to consider, especially given where we currently stand in the market. And actually, the follow-up video for this one, hopefully coming out within the next couple of days, is going to be the worst 5 performing stocks, the worst five performing components of the Dow Jones. And in my opinion, rather than chasing the stocks that have done well and chasing the previous gains that we just saw, I actually like to look for value. And the next video is where I would personally consider doing more buying, but that's just me. And just for fun, for anybody interested, feel free to leave some of your guesses down in the comment section below. I'd be curious to hear what some of you guys are thinking back at home. But coming in at number 5, up 21.59%, it is the company United Technologies. The ticker here is UTX. We see here year to date, guys, pretty strong performance. We have started to see a bit of a pullback here in the month of May, but this is a stock that's currently trading for $129. It pays a 2.27% dividend. United Technologies is, of course, this massive industrial conglomerate. They're the company behind Otis Elevators. They're also a huge player in the airline, like the aircraft space, with the company Pratt & Whitney. And they're also the company behind Carrier, those ventilation or heating, air conditioning units. This is one of my favorite stocks out there. I don't yet own it, but it's nice to see the nice performance in 2019. Coming in at number 4, up 22.73% year to date, it is the company Cisco, major powerhouse company in the tech space, guys. Cisco has been on a really nice run year to date. Again, we are seeing a bit of weakness coming into May, but this has definitely been a top performer out there for any shareholders. It currently trades for $53 and pays a 2.63% dividend. Fun fact for you guys, Cisco actually at one point during the tech boom, if I zoom out in this chart here, at one point, Cisco was actually valued as the largest company in the world by market cap, but this is, of course, a major player in the telecommunications space. They make routers, they make all sorts of goods, and they're actually a very decent and viable way to play this upcoming 5G trend that everybody's talking about. Coming in at number 3, up 22.75%, it is the company American Express, ticker AXP. This one trades for $117. With this stock, we actually haven't seen much of a pullback in May. It's managed to hold its gains so far, and this one does pay a 1.33% dividend. And I don't have all too much to say about American Express, other than it's a great company. We all know Warren Buffett loves his American Express. It's a company that I believe is poised for a very nice future when you look at the payment processing space. We've covered this on the channel multiple times. So definitely a nice start to the year for the company American Express and any American Express shareholders. Coming in at number 2, guys, it's one of my all-time favorite stocks, up 23.01%. It is the company Microsoft. And Microsoft started off the year trading at about exactly $100 per share, climbed its way up. It's currently just shy of $125 per share. It pays a 1.47% dividend. Microsoft has been one of the core positions, one of the staple positions in my portfolio. I kind of plan for it to be that way for the ongoing future. I put this company up in the same tier as the Apples, the Amazons, even though a lot of times it gets overlooked by the FANG acronym. We know that Satya Nadella has done an outstanding job of shifting this company to the cloud. We know there's a lot of recurring revenue being pulled in by this company, and it's currently actually the largest company in the world. It has surpassed Apple. It's currently holding that number 1 spot, and clearly the performance this year has been quite good. Moving on to number 1, up 23.34%. Feel free to take your guesses. It's the company Visa, another payment processing company, another one of my all-time favorites and another core position in my portfolio. Again, looking here, guys, the stock is currently trading for $162. Very nice uptrend here in 2019. bit of a taper off in May, as we're seeing kind of with the broader markets. Much of a lower dividend here on Visa stock at 0.61%. This is a company that I personally would include in the growth phase. I actually included it in my top 5 all-time favorite growth stocks. If you haven't seen that video, check it out down below for a much more in-depth breakdown of Visa. Microsoft is in there as well. Although the company's not growing its revenues like an Alibaba or these hyper growth stocks out there, this company has a major path, a major runway ahead of it when you look at the amount of transactions done globally that are still done in cash, right? There's a huge audience out there. There's a huge market for Visa to capture. That's why it comes in at one of my favorite stocks, and it's great to see the performance so far this year. So guys, those are the top 5 performers year to date in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let me know what you guys think of this top 5 list. Is it what you expected? Is there something in here that kind of just popped out of nowhere? Do any of you guys own these stocks? If you do, leave a comment down below. Like I said, to follow this video, we'll actually take a look at the worst performers. Maybe you could call them the dogs of the Dow, the stocks that are currently down year to date. We'll highlight those in the next video, guys. If you guys enjoy this type of video, kind of just highlighting some of the major stock movers, let me know down in the comment section below. Slap a like on this video. I can easily do a video like this, maybe on the S&P, maybe on the TSX to see some Canadian stocks. Let me know if that's something that would interest you guys. But that'll wrap it up for today's video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, we post a video here every week on the stock market, investing, the whole shebang. If you're interested in seeing my personal investment portfolio, keeping up to date with the trades that I make, you can do that by heading over to our website and checking out our private membership group. Also, if you're interested in doing the beta launch or the trial of our course, there's a form on that website as well. First link down in the description below. But as always, I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.